A groundbreaking shift in agricultural science is unfolding in Amarillo, Texas, as a new geneticist joins the forefront of small grains research. But here's where it gets controversial. Can modern genetics truly outpace nature's relentless challenges? Junli Zhang, PhD, now leads this charge as a Texas A&M AgriLife Research small grain geneticist and assistant professor at the Department of Soil and Crop Sciences. His journey to this role began years ago with a graduate school foundation in genetics, genomics, and bioinformatics, a background as robust as the wheat he aims to improve. Before arriving in Amarillo, Zhang honed his expertise as an assistant project scientist at the University of California, Davis, and earned his doctorate from the University of Idaho, where he specialized in wheat genetics and breeding. Now, he's applying advanced quantitative genetic methods to uncover genetic materials and gene loci that could revolutionize wheat breeding. His focus? Traits like drought tolerance, water use efficiency, and yield components, critical for Texas's arid climate. And this is the part most people miss. Zhang isn't just chasing yield numbers. He's also determined to boost wheat's nutritional value, aiming to enhance fiber and nutrient content to make it a healthier staple. To achieve this, he'll leverage germplasm from his past work, combining it with plant breeding expertise and marker-assisted selection. Think of germplasm as nature's toolbox, genetic resources that hold the keys to resilience. Zhang's plan includes tapping into this toolbox to introduce new traits into Texas wheat, improving both biotic resistance, think pests and diseases, and overall quality. But here's a twist. Recent discoveries in model plants like Arabidopsis and rice have revealed genetic pathways that Zhang wants to adapt for wheat. Imagine applying these breakthroughs to boost grain size and nitrogen efficiency in Texas's dryland environments, he explains. Increased biomass could mean higher yields for dual-purpose wheat, used both for grain and forage, a lifeline for many farmers. Yet challenges loom. Wheat streak mosaic, a devastating disease spread by mites, threatens regional crops. While some resistance exists, Zhang warns that current genes might eventually fail. New resistance sources are crucial, he stresses. We can't wait until the problem escalates. This raises a question. Should researchers prioritize short-term fixes or long-term genetic solutions? Zhang's approach blends both. But is this balance achievable in a rapidly changing climate? His work also explores how to optimize nitrogen use efficiency, a critical factor in sustainable agriculture. By improving how wheat absorbs and utilizes nitrogen, farmers could reduce fertilizer costs while minimizing environmental impact. But here's where opinions might diverge. Can genetic solutions alone address the complex interplay of climate, soil, and farming practices? Zhang believes they can, but what do you think? As he dives into germplasm banks and field trials, his mission is clear. Find what works for Texas's unique wheat challenges. The goal isn't just academic, he says. It's about giving producers tangible tools to thrive. So what's next? Will Zhang's genetic innovations become the new standard for resilient, nutritious wheat? Or will nature's next curveball test these advancements? Share your thoughts. We're curious to hear if you see genetics as the ultimate solution or just one piece of a larger puzzle.